Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm here with my biggest LEGO commitment yet to this channel, the LEGO M16A3 assault rifle. This has taken me 5 months to make. First I started playing it out in LEGO Digital Designer, and then I started building it. As a result of that, it has a lot of features. Some of these are cool, but I'll show them off later. First, we'll go over just the look. We have our nice sturdy Technic handle with our trigger. All the way in the back, we have our nice retractable stock. Oh crap, it broke. That happens a lot. But when it doesn't break, it works kind of well. You know what? I'm just not going to retract it at all because this thing breaks 24/7, 365. So let me fix it real quick. Okay, so we're just going to leave this stock on. But you can take it off. Okay. We have our fire selector. Back is semi-automatic. This is safety. Fully automatic. And semi-automatic is the other way. We have our charging handle. Our magazine and the magwell with the mag release here. I'll show that off later. And then as we come up to the front, we have our reflex sight, our stubby grip, our green laser, and when we get to the barrel, we have our muzzle brake, which is this black part. Now the reason I have all these attachments is this is a gun from Phantom Forces, where the more kills you get with it, the more attachments you unlock. Some other things I missed because I was focusing on the attachments include the dust cover on the side, which does tend to break when flipping it up, but you can flip it down, flip it up. This handle is all Technic. It's attached with these 1x4 Technic bricks. The green laser is made with one of those spring-loaded missiles. Stubby grip is Technic elements. Alright, on to our features. Of course, we have the working trigger and the retractable stock in the back. We also have a working mag release. This button right here is attached to a spring, so automatically reset. And then it's also attached to this. So what happens is I'm going to press the button and it pushes that out, okay? And that will drop the mag when it's facing straight up and down like this. Now it's time to talk more about the mag. I used these plates in between every so often to give it the curving look. And then I used this sloping piece so that the Technic thing in the mag release would just, so normally it'd be in here like this. But since it's one block at the top, it'd slide down and then get stuck in. So it can't drop out. So that is why I have that slope in there. Let's see. And if you want proof, I'm not pushing the button, okay? We're just going to put the mag in. Boom. The slope works. Alright. So next, the charging handle. Pull it back, let go, and it goes in. Also, interesting thing, you know that dust cover? Let me fix it real quick. This is the charging bolt. So when we pull back on our charging handle. Bolt goes back. Let go, it snaps forward. So let's close that up. Next, we're going to focus on our attachments. Okay? So first, we have the green laser on the right side of the gun, which is made, as I said before, with this green Star Wars spring-loaded missile, and then attach it on with one of these Technic bricks with a hole, and then on a pin on the side. Muzzle brake is just a black tire rim. It's basically the whole barrel. Let's see. This folding grip here is the stubby grip is two Technic L-beams, and it's attached again with two Technic bricks. Next, we have the sight, of course. The sight. For that, we have our nice 1.5 times zoom reflex sight. So if I can get a proper ADS shot, we can see pretty clearly through that. And it is 1.5 times zoom. And let me take it off real quick. It's really simple. It's just some curve, a few plates, some bricks, and then just a trans red 1x1 in there for you to see through. And it just comes on top of the charging handle area. This is about half as tall as me, I'd say, and it fits me pretty well. This is me holding it normally. Alright. Looks pretty good. And so now, I say, we shoot some target. So here we have our Lego minifigures. And let's use the gun. Alright, we've killed 5 of them hip firing. We have pretty good hip fire accuracy because of the green laser muzzle brake reducing our vertical recoil. And of course our grip, as well as using a stock. So time to get some ADS kills. Of course, this thing doesn't actually work. It's just cool to mess around with it. But, you know, it's fun. Okay, so, let's see. I did get most of this by myself. The only part I didn't get by myself was this mag release, which I got from Jim's Lego Guns. And he did a tutorial on the M4 mag release. And I'm really glad because it's just so satisfying to press the button once, put back in, press it, grab the mag, and put it back in again. And again, it's just really fun to do. And I really like it. Let's see. Other design details include very real white, because that's supposed to be for, like, writing. I went for mostly neutral colors, but I went a little rainbow here because I couldn't find enough neutral colors. Some more white writing. Let's see. Oh yeah. when we actually retract or remove the stock, which you do by pressing the button and then taking off the stock, there's this stock tube that the stock runs on. And it's very sturdy. It's made of bricks, plates, and tiles. And the tiles on the top, and then the tiles inside of the stock allow it to just run smoothly on. And then grab into place. The stock is pretty sturdy too. So, now let's just shoot it some more. Alright, that was a tactical reload. And now, we're going to do a mag dump. Alright, now, we drop the mag. We reinsert the mag. And we pull the charging handle. Thank you all for watching. That was my Lego M16A3. Also, my 5 subscriber special. Thank you all for watching. Can we hit maybe 5 or 10 likes on this video? Goodbye.